Greetings to all. In this lecture, we are going to see about fundamentals of manufacturing technology. I am Dr. Y. Balto, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. Of the presentation, manufacturing, the real meaning or the definition of manufacturing. The next one is manufacturing processes, classification of industries, types of manufacturing, then followed by different types of manufacturing processes and some of the FAQ questions. Manufacturing is derived from two Latin words, manus, the meaning is hand, factus, the meaning of factus is make, the combination meaning is made by hand. So materials or the product made by hand is anciently defined in manufacturing. So the real definition of manufacturing is application of physical or chemical processes to alter the geometry, properties and or appearance of a given starting material to make parts or products. The layout depicts the manufacturing process in the simplest way. Here we are giving the starting material as an input. So manufacturing process, the machineries, tools, power and labor are given for the manufacturing process. We can get the completed part or product as a output, as well as some scrap or waste also comes as a output. Classification of industries. As per the standard industrial codes, the industries are classified into different categories. 1 to 9 is agriculture, forestry and fishing. 10 to 14 mining, 15 to 17 it's a construction industries. So here the 20 to 39 is manufacturing. In this way, it is different classification. The industries are classified into different categories. So among these 20 to 39 categories, different parts are depicted in this cycle. So first 20th part is food and kindred products. 21st, 21 is tobacco manufacturers. 22 is textile mill products. And 23rd category is apparel and related products. 24 is lumber and wood manufacturing. 25 is furniture and fixtures. 26th category is paper and allied products. In this way, we are having up to 39 categories. Next, here we are going to look at the different types of manufacturing. Based on the manufacturing operation, around 6 manufacturing operations are there. The first one is continuous or discrete manufacturing. Second, variety and volume. The third one is raw material to final product. Fourth one is to order or to stock. Fifth one is depends on the size. Sixth one is machinery is used. Continuous or discrete manufacturing. In this continuous manufacturing, the flow is in a continuous manner, or process type manufacturing produce large amount of bulk material. Say for example, sugarcane industries, chemicals are in this continuous flow manufacturing. In SIC codes, group 26, 28 and 29 comes under this flow type or process type manufacturing. It is counted in terms of bags or tons. The next one is discrete part manufacturing. Products are countable. It can be mantled and dismantled. Example is the bicycle. In bicycle, all the parts are assembled and dismantled. variety and volume. In this graph, in x-axis variety and the y-axis is taken as volume. So in this first one is job shop production, next one is batch production, and this final one is mass production. In mass production, the variety is very low and the volume of production is very high. In job shop production, the variety is very high and the volume is very. The examples for mass production is bolts, nuts, ball pens. For in batch production is books, apparels, cars. Job shop production is aircraft, ship, and special machines. The next category is raw material to final product. In this first one is distinctive, the progressive conversion of single raw material. For example, lumber mills, oil refineries. In this oil refineries, the crude oil is continuously converted into the petrochemicals. Next one is sequential. Only one raw material is given as an input, but separate the raw material into components. The example of sequential manufacturing is machining of castings for automobiles. Next one is locational, buying and storing in bulk quantity and distributing in small packets under its own brand name. Example is rice and sugar. Combinative, some produced in-house and some from supplier. The best example is automobile factory. In this automobile factory, some of the components are produced in the factory itself, and some other parts are get it from the supplier. Start. The next category is two